Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, we'll look up top, and there should be this little part you can pull up, which releases the lock. Now you can fold this forward. As you can see here, this is what released it here, where it's hooked onto this. And it works the same for the opposite side. When you're done with this, you can just push this back up. And you want to make sure the seatbelt's pulled in front so it doesn't get trapped. And then you push to lock it in place. Same process for that seat. For this little part, you can just pull it down and then fold it back up when you're done. And then for these front seats, this is, as long as there's some electricity power to your vehicle, these should work. This will make the whole seat slide backwards. This makes it slide forwards. This adjusts the back. So this part forward or backwards just by pushing this way or that way. And then this adjusts like your lumbar support. So as you push this, this will bulge out or make it recede some. And then I'll show you for the passenger side as well. So the passenger side here, this is the same buttons, minus that lumbar support. So again, forward or back, just by pushing front or back. And that's it. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.